Hi Kirby fans, as requested, the sand battles are back. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So as requested, the sand battles are back. The championships are here, and we're going to start off with two early contenders. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you enjoy the content, make sure you check out the other content. Make sure you click that subscribe button and show your support. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you share it. Now don't forget, we've got that competition that's kicking off. As soon as we get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to ask the first question, and then we'll plod on and hopefully reach that goal of 4,000 subscribers to give that away. There is a little bit of a twist as well. There may be another Kirby up for grabs. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can comment and enter that competition. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it today and see who is in this match. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Right, so this is one that's been requested. This is the one that everyone's been waiting for. Even Rudolph's turned up. So what we've got on my right, weighing in at a staggering 21.8 pound, is the Heritage 84. On my left, we've got the Heritage II weighing in at a staggering 19.2 pounds. So there's 2 pounds difference between these. Also on my right, the Heritage 84 has got the older style mini emptier, and the Heritage 2 has got the upgraded version. So we're going to see what punches this can pull out the bag compared to this one. And as you may have noticed, we've got a new carpet. We're not using the old wool one. I actually turned it green, and I got a lot of grief for that. We won't be turning this one green, but it is brand new carpet. It's not wool, but it is a high premium carpet. We're going to see how both of these can cope pulling 50 grams of sand out of the carpet with a 10 pass test. So what we'll do is we'll quickly get it vaxed off, and then we'll jump straight into it. Right, so it would be fair we had a good old vac off, so we're going to use the 140 CFM Avalir 100 that I tested out. And as referee, Rudolph is here today to make sure that this elf plays it fair. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. We're just going to start by weighing out for the Heritage 84. So this will be the red cut. And that is, it's a very sensitive scale, so we'll go with 50.09 for the Heritage 84. So in the blue corner, we're going to have the Heritage 2. So we'll just weigh this out. And that's 50.05, we'll call that. Right, so as always, we're going to weigh the bags. So we'll start off with number 1, and this is going the Heritage 84. And that's coming in at 72.5. 55. So now we'll weigh bag number 2, which is going in Heritage 2. And that's coming in at 71.4. So that's a Heritage 82, and that's coming in at 71.40. So we're under the watchful eye of referee Rudolph. He's making sure that there's nothing dodgy going on here. I did try to give him a backhander, but he wouldn't take it. So we've got bag number 1, and that's going in the Heritage 84. Now this has got the HEPA filtration bag pipe change, just so we can use these later style bags in, so it should bring the CFM up a lot better, or a little bit better than it was. Obviously these bags are really thick, so we'll make that then. Now the Heritage 2 has got the advantage of the new mini emptier. This has got a lot of weight behind it, so we'll see how this one goes. So now what we'll do is we'll jump over and change the Heritage 2 bag under the watchful eye again of referee Rudolph. Right, so we're just going to check that we're using bag number 2. So there's bag number 2. Do you agree with that, Ref Rudolph? So Ref Rudolph agrees. So we'll just put bag number 2 in. So I just thought I'd make this fair, having a non-biased referee supervising, so you can see there's actually nothing and none of these results are fixed. Right, so we're just going to put these brush rolls on, and the refs are going to supervise. They are new brush rolls, and that they are a new belt, and the belts are wound on. So you can see that that's a new brush roll and a belt. Do you agree with that, ref? Right, I'm just going to wind this on. And now there's Heritage 84. So again, got a new brush roll and new belt. Are you happy with that, ref? So we're just going to wind that on. So we're ready to begin, ref. Thank you. So what we'll do now is we'll get the sand down and get these segregated and get it set up. Alright, so we'll just get this sand rubbed in, and again the ref is supervising, make sure there's nothing dodgy going on. I did offer him another $50, but he wasn't taking it. So this is that 50 grams of sand. As you can see, it disperses a lot better into this carpet because it's not wool, it is a deep pour carpet. And we will be going a 10 pass test over this. So that is for the Heritage 84. And now we're going to do the Heritage 2. So again, like I said, we've got that non-biased ref watching over. And we'll just rub this in. And as you can see, it still disperses really well and disappears into that carpet without a trace. So it should be a lot easier to pick up off this as well. It is a thick pile, but it's not wool, and it is a brand new carpet. It literally smells new. I love the smell of new carpet. So let's get on with the battle. With the Heritage 2. Right, so now we're using the Heritage 84. Again, new brush roll. As you know, they're all refurbed. So head venues, just turn them down. 10. You can actually see the agitation from these machines, considering they're 30 years old. That is absolutely amazing. So as you can see, it's been a fair fight. We've had Ref Rudolph governing over to make sure there's been no cheating going on. So what we're going to do now is unpack these bags and see who the actual winner of this competition is. So what we'll do is we'll get straight to it. Right, so we'll start off with the Heritage 84. See, it's still bag number 1. Take that out. And we'll weigh that one. So we're just going to weigh bag number 1. Bag number 1 is coming in at 90.88. Let's just double check that. So bag number 1 is coming in at 90.84. So now over to the Heritage 2. I'm just going to take this bag out. Again, as you can see, it is bag number 2. So just take that out. That's that, which is nothing to repair, post. And we'll weigh this one. So bag number 2. It's very sensitive with all. It's very sensitive scale with the wind. There we go. Wow. So that's coming in at 100.19 grams. Try it again. Yep. We'll go 100.19 grams. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that video, and it literally shows the comparison between the Heritage 84 and the upgrades of the Heritage 2, what difference Kirby actually made back in the 80s and what difference that airflow system with that new emptier actually made to the Kirby. So what I'll do is I'll put the stats on screen. Now they're quite shocking, but I did expect that because of the differences that Kirby made. The Heritage 84, we had a starting weight of 72.53 and a finishing weight of 90.84, which actually gave us 18.29 grams. It actually picked up, so it didn't do too bad. It literally picked up just under half, I'd say around about the 40% mark with 10 passes. So I'm not sure how long we'd have to go over it, but you probably go over it twice that amount of time and it can pick all that grit and gravel up. And the agitation, as you've seen in the carpet, was absolutely awesome. With those new brush rolls, it does make a difference. There was a massive difference with the Heritage 2, purely because of that airflow system that Kirby redesigned with that mini emptier. Again, we had a starting weight with the Heritage 2 of 71.40, and we had a finishing weight of a staggering 100.19 grams. So that's a massive pickup of 28.79. So literally 10 grams more than the Heritage 84. Now that Heritage 84, I was using 2 hands to push it. It is a heavy vacuum. It does literally suck to that floor. How people cope back then, I don't know. Kirby have come a long way since then. The Heritage 2 is a lot lighter to move. You've got 2 pounds of less weight in it as well. But there was a massive difference. So again, we've got a winner, and it's the Heritage 2 with an actual 10 gram winner over the Heritage 84. Again, do you like my hat? Again, those new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content and you're enjoying these videos, give us a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. And if you want to enter that competition, as I said, it's kicking off at 2,000 subscribers. There is a video, and I will put a link above to that video of what I'm actually giving away. And as I said at the beginning of this video, there is a little bit of a twist. There might be a second Kirby up for grabs, so there might be 2 winners at that 4,000 subscribers, which I will be announcing soon. Once we hit that 2,000 mark, what that second Kirby giveaway is, and then you get to choose, the winner gets to choose which Kirby they actually won, and the second person will probably get the follow-up prize. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to the bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. And if you enjoy it, make sure you click that or something like that. Right, so what we'll do is jump straight into a day. We're going to see how these can cope pulling 50 grams of sand out with a 10 pound set. Right, so the Heritage 84, we had a So the Heritage 84, we had a starting weight of 71.4 and a finishing weight, no, that wrong one,